Hello there. So I'm going to make a video now to explain the tests that I'm doing to around the actual coins or the tokens that are actually in the wallet. And specifically in this particular test, in this particular wallet here, this is configurable so that if anybody else runs there, they pick a different wallet, they get there, would have different values for the tests. And I think that's the important thing I need to do. So this test says is that this particular wallet here, you go and look at the blockchain, and that is the amount of token, MIC token, that exists in that particular wallet. That's a quick overview of the tests and how and what I'm trying to do. So if I stop the test now, and what I'd like to do is I'm going to try to explain what I've done and how it's done and how you can do this yourself. So if I go to here, we have in every single test instance that's in the code is this environment JSON file that isn't included in the source code. Reason being is that this is potentially, well, more than potentially, this is sensitive information to yourself. This wallet here, I'm exposing the seed words because there's absolutely no value whatsoever in that wallet. But actually it isn't that wallet, but that this seed word would get you to a wallet, but yes. But you actually put these seed words in here, and then that where the Chrome extension is and various setup there. I think I've gone through that before. That kind of gets that where you need to be. So if I close that, it does exist on here, but I'm not going to go into that at all. So what I'm going to do is go through some tests to kind of try and explain this. So I have some tests here for functions to actually change the format of the code so that if the 18-digit characters line up to what the actual wallet outputs. But that's kind of not what I want to do at this present moment in time. I'm going to run this particular test now. So if I just run the test, we get the result here. Just do that. Has got 78 items. So what this has done is for this particular wallet here, which is just wallet I picked from random, really. It on the blockchain we have 78 coins, and then if you look at the different coins and the likes, this one's got a value of wherever 18 digits come back here, and that's for the MAGA on Pulse Chain token. So that's kind of there. It's picked because it actually is listed as one of the tokens that you can add on the Pulse Chain. And if I was actually had the private keys for this wallet, which I don't, I could verify that this amount here is what comes out when you actually look at the wallet. I hope that makes some sense. So if I go to this test here, which is basically using these two accounts that are on there, and it's going to output the values in each individual token that exists on these accounts on the actual list of tokens to add on the Internet Money wallet. So I'm just going to run that. And then as I run that, I should get to here, and I will just basically enter this. So it's going to go through the values returned from the blockchain and also through the tokens that exist on the Internet Money wallet, and it's just going to add them in as it finds the addresses that are mapped in this particular instance. So if I F5 that, then we go and we get a token list. There's 167 tokens listed in there. The first token is the time token. This particular wallet has that amount with the 18 zeros that go there on both the first and second wallet. And then if I go down randomly picking something else, you've got this one here. There's no items in there. And again, this one is the alien token, whereas on the first wallet the items in, there's nothing in the second wallet. That's basically the mapping that is used to actually go and check to see where we get with this. So what I would like to do now is I'll just end that test there. And if I go to the account details page here, I was going to have a look at this test I've got for the mic token that's on the wallet that is set up, which you've got the private keys for. And then what we're doing is, as we said before, we've got this expected value, and then we're going to check to see if the expected value is the value that is returned on the particular page. So the account detail page returns the tokens and returns in the total number value, and are they the same? And also, is mic the same on the token? What that's actually doing is verifying that what the values that I have got on the blockchain are in fact exactly the same as the values displayed in the Internet Money wallet. And that uh, I think is a very fair test to see that nothing has happened that could possibly go wrong, like a wrong address somewhere in the Internet Money wallet. And I just think it makes this a whole lot trustless. The bug the test, it's going to go through a whole load of stuff that starts the test up to get us. So what we're doing is we have got this particular mic token under investigation. We've got lists from what I described before, and it's just going to go and get the it's going to get the D token from the actual one where the value of the value of the actual wallet is that, and the number of decimals is whatever, and then the number of decimals that is to be displayed to match the display on the actual wallet. So if I just F10 that, we're going to verify that mic is the same as the value here inside of here, which it is. And we're going to say that the expected value that's displayed on the wallet is going to be the same. That is, that test passes. It quits the actual program, or quits the actual window on the wallet. I hope that it kind of explains what that is. If you look at the video that I've got previously, that kind of explains how to set things up. I have successfully managed to set this up with Hex Ninja, and I would happily go through the whole setup with someone else to be able to do to verify this, because what we really want is we want to have as many eyes on each individual tokens as possible to actually have total trustless trust on the actual value that's displayed in the wallet. So, thank you very much.